At Western States Metal Roofing, we're always working towards making life simple for contractors, architects, and designers. Today, we'll show you a brand new online tool that helps you prepare all the documents you need for your next project submittal. So instead of taking the whole day searching and downloading each individual document, you can try using our Spec Builder tool instead. Download everything you may need for construction submittal, such as CAD Details, load charts, product data sheets, installation guides, and more. And more importantly, you can download them in a matter of minutes, not hours, saving you time and money. All right, so let's get started. Step one is we're going to choose the type of panel that we're using, and you can use a roof panel or a wall panel. For today's example, we're going to go with roof panel. So you just click here, and then we're going to click next. So then for step two, we're going to select our panel profile. So you come over here to the drop-down menu, and you're going to see exposed fastener panels and standing seam. So for today's example, we're going to use a exposed fastener panel 7/8 corrugated. So we just click that and then click next. Now, step three, we can pick our desired color. When it comes to colors, Western States Metal Roofing is proud to provide with the most color options and specialty prints in the industry. On the first page, you'll see our standard PVDF colors. Clicking on the drop-down menu will open up a variety of categories. From matte colors, rusted colors, copper colors, and more, each category will bring you to additional options. So for today's example, we're going to go with matte colors, and we're going to click on matte black. So we click on the color and then click on next. So for this roof project today, we're going to go with 24 gauge. So we come over to 24 gauge, and then you'll see it shows us our panel width and panel coverage. So for our example today, we had used 7/8 corrugated, but it's important to keep in mind that each panel profile has its own set of options. So for example, if you're going to use a standing seam, we come over here to standing seam. Let's say we click on Western Lock. Click next, then we're going to click on our color, click next. Here you can choose the gauge, but you can also have the option of choosing the panel width, anywhere from 12 to 18 inches. And keep in mind, if you don't see the panel width that you're looking for, please reach out to one of our sales associates by clicking Find a Solution. Just quickly put in your information and somebody will get in touch with you. So that brings us to step five. You're almost done. So if you could look at the left side of the screen, you'll see a summary of all the selections that we've made. So panel type was roof panel, profile was 7/8 corrugated in a matte black and a 24 gauge, and then you see our panel width and coverage. This gives you a chance to make sure that all your selections are what you're looking for. If something doesn't look right, you're going to want to come down here, click on Previous, and you can make some different changes. So let's say, for example, we wanted to do a 22 gauge instead of 24. We just click on 22, click Next, and you can see it updated here. Now it's a 22 gauge matte black. Your final step is to fill out this form. Choose if you're an architect, contractor, DIY homeowner, or hiring an installer. You make your selection and put in your information, then click on View Your Results. And so then you're done and you come to this page, which has all the information that you need. You can either choose to individually download one document. Say you only need one or two of these, you don't want to download all of them. You just come to download, like if you want CAD Details, and that will automatically download to your computer. But for something like care and maintenance, you come over here and click on Download, and it opens for you, but now you also need to download that again to save it to your computer. Just give it a name, click Save. And then that's saved to your computer. Or if you need all of these, then you're going to want to just, instead of going through each one individually, you come up to Download All Documents, and it will download all the documents at once in a zip file. The Download All Documents button can only be displayed once. If you decide not to download all the documents at this time and navigate away from this page, you will have to start the process all over again. Don't worry if you do navigate away from the page accidentally, because an email will be sent to you immediately after filling out the form with a link to this section's summary page for you to access at any time. Now that we've gone through the Spec Builder, we just want to go over some quick computer basics, just in case you don't know them already. If you can't find your Downloads folder, you want to come to the top right where you'll see three dots that you'll click on, then you'll go to your Downloads folder, and that will show you where everything has been recently downloaded. So if you download all documents, it will be labeled wsmrdownload.zip, and if we want to just show in folder, that will open up everything that we have here. So here you'll find your zip folder labeled WSMR download. Now if you want to unzip the files, you're going to come over here, right click, and you're going to see Extract All. Just click on it and click Extract, and it will unzip all of your documents. Once you've downloaded all your files, let's say you need another profile. You just come over here to Start Over and click on your next selection. We hope you found this tool useful, and remember, if there are any custom options that you don't find on this page, please reach out to us directly. Thank you for using Western States Metal Roofing for your next project. You can view all the colors that Western States Metal Roofing has to offer by checking out the online color visualizer. This powerful tool will let you see what your home can look like with metal roofing or siding. Try it for free by visiting westernstatesmetalroofing.com.